this is a very thin sample, so how can you polish this? Okay, suppose that if you are going to polish, when you will start the machine, but this sample will left out from your fingers, so it is not easy to hold this, so polishing will be very difficult for you. Let's check if I am right or wrong. Okay, you will be get confirmation finally. Suppose that this is rotating and I am trying to hold this sample. Okay, if I am putting here, I put it, but my nail is also being polished. Okay, how? Let's I am showing you. My nail is being polished here. Okay, here look the nails. Okay, video is not coming clear. Okay, here this side the big nails, but this side not. Suppose that this nails I have not so big, then how can I hold this sample? So the simple process is use the molding a mold sample, a block and two-sided tape, and stick that sample with this tape in that mold. Okay, now you can hold this thin sample very easily. Okay, now there is not problem. Okay, and your sample may get polished very easily. Okay, look this. Thanks.